Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. So as we were continuing on our gRPC series, so till now we have covered the what is gRPC, why we need that, and what are the benefits of that, and how you can customize, how you can set up gRPC on your local, and if you want to add your custom service in the gRPC. So we have covered up to this in our channel. If you haven't checked it out, make sure to check it out. So in this particular video, we are just going to cover let's see, we were studying here the, so we were discussing here the ways of communication, client server communication supported by gRPC. So like we have binary RPC, server streaming, client streaming, and bidirectional streaming. So let's consider a scenario, real-time data streaming. So like you are streaming a list of customers whenever they get fetched from the database, or they just created dynamically. So you want that customer. So what you can do, you can use like the server streaming RPC here. Like whenever you get that customer or that particular info, you will stream that to your client. Okay, you will stream that, or whatever or whoever client is just listening to that stream, they will get that data. So let's consider a scenario, you are sending a large amount of data set incrementally, and on the client side, client can process them as they arrive. So instead of waiting for the complete data set, it can process as they arrive to stream. Okay, so for this server streaming, we can see the code, like how we can configure this in our local. So we were working on this gRPC live demo, so make sure this is the thumb rule whenever you want to make changes or add anything or new functionality. First you have to define the context for that. Okay, so now suppose I want one service, I want get new customer info. Okay, and again here ideally we do not have to pass any parameter or arguments for that, but here RPC method expects one argument, so we have to like pass get new customer request. We have to pass this and it will returns. So earlier we were returning the customer model, but this time we are returning the let me write here stream of customer model. So now we are sending a stream from our server. So here we have to define one message contract as well, and the name would be, I can just copy from here, and if you don't want to pass any particular field, just keep it blank. In this case we do not need to require to pass any parameter, but it expects one. There are other ways to do that, but this is the easiest way. Like you can just create a blank message and pass it as a parameter. So let me save this, and once this is done, let's build our server. So our profile will be built and it will generate our method. So now here we have to write the logic, like how we will stream that. So let me see if we have that method here, public override. Yeah, we have here get new customer info. Let me override this. So here like we have let me break this line. Okay, so here we have this request. In this scenario we are not using this request, but in case if you have request, then you can use that. And this is the like response stream where we have to write our data. So let me create a list of customer model and give it a name as customers is equal to, and here let me paste some customers info, which will save a lot of time. And do I have, yeah, here you go. Okay, So we have these customers here. We have created one customers list. Now I want to send these all. Okay, so let me first minimize this. Okay, so now I want for each where customer in customers. Okay, so here what I want to do, I want to await. Yeah, exactly, I want this. Okay, so what we are doing here, this is our method closed. Yeah, so we have these list of customers, and here we are just taking a customer and streaming that to our response stream. So whoever client is listening to that server, and they will get the stream. So just consider a scenario, our services, sometimes it may take time to process data, or we want ki whenever there's a data available, you have to just stream that. So I'm for that sake, because I want this asynchronously. So for that I am adding here task.delay. Let me add here for 3 seconds. So I have defined this timestamp here, and now our server part is completed. Okay, so let me build this. If this builds successfully, then we will move to the client part. Okay, build succeeded. Now let's move to the client. Let me close all this and we go to client. Again we have to first make a change in the profile. So we have here profile. So let me quickly copy this, because this is the same reference we are using. So I'll go here and replace this service and messages. Perfect. Let me close the server and quickly build the client. It succeeded. Let me go to the program.cs. Okay, so I did some code cleaning here. So like you can see, we have channel, we have customer client. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to listen to that stream. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll using, and here I will define a call, and I would like to customer client dot. Yeah, here we have new method get new customer info, and probably it would be expecting one argument get new customer request. So let me define that get new customer request, and yeah, we are good to go. Okay, now here I have to continuously listen to that stream. So for that, what I can do, I can use await here, like call dot, and do I have, yeah, response stream dot, yeah, move next. Move next is nothing, it is just a boolean method, like it is used to get a data in a sequence from your stream. So here what I will, here we will get the, yeah, we are getting the customer info, and I will display that customer info here. Okay, so what we have done, we just we had the channel, we have the customer client, and now we just listening to that stream. Okay, now we are listening to this stream. Okay, let me build this. If the build succeeded, then we'll run this. Let me run this. Yeah, as you can see, this is our client, and here we have the server as well. So you can see whenever we are getting the data on the stream, we are reading that. We are not waiting for the complete data set. We are not waiting for the complete list. So it basically reduces the latency and improves the client experience. Like whenever there is a data, we are getting that data. Okay, so like you can so this was all about your server streaming. So by this way you can, or there could be, as per the requirement, you can change the workflow or anything, but like this was the basic, like how you can start with the server streaming if you want to. Okay, yeah, so that's all for this video. If you find this video useful, make sure to like the video, and if you are new to my channel, please click that subscribe button and hit that bell notification for the latest updates. Thank you.